majoring in mechanical engineering in University of Tsukuba. I did an assistant job for this discussion topic, safety standards of university rockets, with a Professor Yonemoto. And at first, I, I really want to express my appreciation for our participants that we really made a really good discussion for this, and sometimes struggling, sometimes fighting, but it comes it comes up and to make the really good safety code which appears in the left of this slide. So let's get started with my presentations. And at first, I want to review the purpose of the safety standards. So why making and why we are focusing on this. Reading the red character of this slide, the main purpose of the safety standards is to secure us and secure the safety of launch members uh, personally and personal belongings of other persons. This is kind of rough purpose, but I think it is a priority. It is the first priority purpose and really important that. And then, at first, we reviewed about these kind of documents which issued before in the NASA, in the JAXA, or sometimes in the UNICEF also, and introduced our safety standard in each country, mainly of Japan. So next, we discussed about this kind of questions, but we did not discuss about these specific topics which appears here. We discussed roughly of these questions, and it comes up to kind of these conclusions, the things what affects on the safety of the rocket. So of course the design, the laboratory and personnel and manufacturing and launch is a big topic, what affects on the safeties, and and divided something like structure thing, aerodynamic things, physical things, and proportional things, and some such things. And after this, we started to make the safety code of UNICEF Global actually. So I think we did a really good job here because we can issue this right now probably. So and in this safety code, I think the most important part is number one, definition of the safety. It's it's really short, but it says really good thing here. So the definition of the safety that we define is not for the rocket, but for the human lives. So all these all these lists and simulations or something like that is for it's not for rocket itself. It's for human lives. So to protect the human lives or conserve the human lives, we thought that we need to write or discuss about or something need to appear in a document that design of the design of the rocket, and ground support equipment, as you can see in the number 3, and flight operational things, and some such kind of this kind of analysis and test things, and hazard safety analysis, design review approval to the flight, and some educational things, including project management. And we divided each topic to each participant to the homework like we made, and we complete this kind of list by next March. So this is the end of my presentation, and thank you for listening.